Hey, are you wondering how to sign up for IPVanish VPN? The easiest way to do it, you either click on a link in the description below, or if you have a QR code, or if you're already on the IPVanish website. For me, I have a QR code to scan. I'm going to open up my camera on my phone, scan the QR code that's displayed to me, and it says IPVanish.com. When you get into IPVanish.com, it's going to ask you to create or start. For instance, this one right now, set up for Amazon Fire TV Stick. So as you can tell, I have downloaded IPVanish onto my Fire Stick just by going through the search icon, type in IPVanish, and you can download it instantly. So once you're in here, there's Get Started. So we can click on Get Started. And it gives you the option for a yearly, monthly, or 2-year. With the 2-year, you get 80% off or something, $3 a month type deal, and a 30-day risk-free return policy. So you can do that, click on it, get it. You can pay with Apple Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, or a major credit card. And you're good to go. So you should be able to log in. So log into IPVanish, create your account, pay for it, and you're done. No, IPVanish is not for free. A lot of VPNs are not for free. Some of the free ones are okay. From my experience, the free ones on the Fire Stick tend to not work very well, or they just don't work, or they just bog down everything. Okay, so once you've gotten your login and password, we can open up IPVanish, and here it says create. You can even do it from here. So we can create an account. So we create our account, log in, and go from there and figure out what you want to do. But today we're going to log in, and we'll be right back. While we're trying to log in, if you don't want to type in all the information through the remote, you can use your phone, scan the QR code, and it'll connect to our Fire TV. And we can just type in what we want. You can click on the box, it brings up our keyboard, and we're good to go. Now here it's logged in, ready to go. Couple things to look into. As you can tell, it shows my public IP address right there up front and center, which is what we don't want, and which is why we use a VPN to either hide our IP address, change our location. So I live in Canada. A lot of things happen in the States that I would rather get that feed from, so I moved myself to the States. Our service provider may block some content that we want to watch. So we do this. TikTok just got shut down in the States. Guys, get yourself IPVanish and geolocate yourself out of the States. Unfortunately, you might need to make a new account, but you can get your TikTok back, but you just won't be in the States as of right now. But during this time, if you need that last little minute fix on TikTok, get yourself a VPN, turn it on, and away you go. All right, once you have it, before you turn it on though, a couple of things to check into. There's the settings. Connect automatically on startup. If this is something you want to run all the time, I would definitely have it connected. If you're going to run a bunch of third-party apps or a bunch of stuff that you don't want, you want to have secure, you don't want public, turn it on. It's like if you use this on your phone, and this works across all your devices. You only need one password, one login for all your personal devices, and it's unlimited. So you can have it on your phones, you can have it on your tablets, your computers, all your streaming devices to protect yourself, especially if you decide to go to the local coffee shop and use their Wi-Fi. Turn on your VPN. So we can always have that at connected startup. I do use some applications that are Canada based, so I don't necessarily use this all the time. So I normally have it off. But if you do have it on and say you want to have Netflix local, that's fine. You still have the ability to change up split tunneling, which gives you the ability to turn on certain applications or off. So if you had YouTube and you didn't want it through the VPN, you can turn it off. You can enable it or disable it from the VPN. Or if you had Netflix or say Prime, all these applications, well, some of these are, oh, maybe I should. Click on user apps and then it gives you the apps that it'll filter out all the other stuff that you never use. So like Netflix, if I want to stay in Canada for Netflix, but I want to have the VPN running all the time, I would do that, right? Rumble, YouTube. These are apps that will keep out of the VPN. All right. And in a shortcut, you can have a shortcut to home screen, auto connect on VPN, or auto connect on IPVANISH launch, no problem. So that anytime you launch, like you can disconnect, close it, and make it go away, but when you do connect it, it automatically connects. Or when you do open IPVanish, it automatically connects. Here we even have block ads. So you turn that on, and any kind of malicious websites or anything that may be coming in will keep them out of your face. And here at kill switch, if you lose internet connection, it comes back on, your VPN disconnects. It won't let you connect again. It's kind of a safety backup just in case. Then you don't have to worry about that. So when you want to connect, you can either just say connect up top and it'll just find the closest good source for you. Or you can come down the little map icon, click on that, and here I like to have favorites. I already have like United States, Detroit because it's close, Los Angeles, like the location for the main events that you may want to watch. You can geolocate yourself to there. And of course, you can travel through countries, cities, you name it. We have a bunch of places that you can connect to through IPVanish. Guys, this is the one application I would highly suggest you have for your Amazon Fire TV stick or any device if you decide to use some types of third-party applications. Some of these apps may use some type of backdoor that may either use your network without your knowledge and just run stuff through it. Who knows what they're running through the networks on these things. They do usually give a little disclaimer at the start that while it's in sleep mode, it may use your data. Don't let it do that. Turn on your VPN. All right? Take care. Peace. Happy streaming.